Today we are going to make the wings of a bird out of paper. Now my paper looks a bit scrunched up. So let's get into it. First up, you want to fold the edge side corner, the left side corner like this. So there's a little flap and there's a little strip. And then you can use scissors to cut it, or you can rip it. Because I'm going to use scissors. Finish. And when you finish kind of this, throw it away, and it should look like this. This. You need that line. Don't you just rip it. So first off, you want to put this little bit there. This little bit to line, and do it on the same side, but not the same side, but do it on the other side, so there's two triangle flaps. Then once you've done that, you fold it like this, so it's like a paper airplane, but we're not making a paper airplane today. It's like this. You fold the side down to the bottom. No! Didn't work. You do it on table. So you fold on the sides down. No, you fold both sides down like this, so there's a little flap. And you do the exact same on the other side. Yep. Once you've done that, you leave it. You don't you can play with it like paper airplane, but we're not doing that today. We are going to do the paper plane part. So you can do whatever way you want, but I'm gonna do it this way. So first off, you want to fold it like this, a paper airplane, and you push it down like a paper airplane, how you make one. And then you finished making your wings of a bird. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A big thumbs up and subscribe if you're brand new. Bye!